సాయి శ్రామత్ డిగ్రీ కళాశాల ఇచ్చోడ.
Hi everyone, this is Dinesh. I am working in Sai Samad Degree College at Ichoda. So due to this corona effect, COVID-19, we are taking online classes. So students, please stay home, stay safe, as well as study well, get good marks now. University is conducting examinations in June, maybe July, so that we are taking online classes to help you to get good marks. Okay, so now I am going to take this class semester 4th groups. Okay, maths. This is now groups. In these groups we have first concept is basic concept. So basic concept in this first we have binary system or binary operation. Okay, binary system or binary operation. What is binary operation? The definition method to combine two or more objects. Two or more objects. This is called as a binary operation. Let us take now star be a function. Okay, it is any function and it is defined as star from G cross G to G, and G not equal to 5. That means it is not a empty set, it is non-empty set. If a comma b belongs to G, okay, a comma b belongs to G, if we do a star b belongs to G for all a comma b belongs to G, okay, then this is called as a binary operation of respected with G. G is nothing but indication of group. Here it is. Okay, so for example, let us take Z. Z is indicated for integers, and if we do Z plus operation, that means in place of this star we are taking the operation of plus. That means suppose a comma b belongs to Z. Now if we do a plus b, if it is belongs to Z, okay, then this is called as a group. Okay, next suppose n is one natural numbers. So this we have done now, binary operation. Now n is a natural number. If we do n minus, so star operation star, instead of that we are taking minus. If suppose a comma b belongs to n, if we do a minus b belongs to n, let us check. Suppose a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, we are taking now. Now do a minus b. A minus b belongs to n. Now 2 minus 3 belongs to n. 2 minus 3, that means what? Minus 1 belongs to n. So that means this is what? N is a natural number. Okay, natural number started from 1 2 3, but here it is we got minus, so this is does not belongs to n. That means the operation of n minus is does not belongs to n. Okay, so sometimes that means what binary operation is existence to integers. Okay, so not to say all the numerical number systems. Okay, that means natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, okay, rational numbers, irrational numbers, like that. Now next concept is algebraic structure. So in this algebraic structure, what is algebraic structure? This is nothing but G is a group. Okay, if we do G star and G star dash, okay, so this is called as a algebraic structure, right? Now group definition. Group definition. So what is group? First, up to now we discussed about this binary operation. Now what is group? Group is nothing but if we do any operation, okay, if we do any operation, that means what? Suppose a comma b belongs to G, a comma b belongs to G. Okay, if G satisfies below properties, what are the properties? First one, closure property. Okay, closure property. What is closure property? If a comma b belongs to G, okay, if we do operation star a star b, if this a star belongs to G, for all a comma b belongs to G, okay, a comma b belongs to G, then G is closed with respect to star. Okay, so this is the first property, closure property. Now second property is associative. Associative property. Okay, same. If a comma b comma c belongs to G, a comma b comma c belongs to G, now a star b star c belongs to G, right? If a star b star c belongs to G, then now this associative property is a star b star c is equal to a star b star c, then it is called as a associative property. Next, third one is identity property. What is identity property? Okay, A belongs to G and E belongs to G. Okay, if A star E is equal to A is equal to E star A, okay, for all A belongs to G, then this is called as the identity property. Okay, next fourth one, inverse property. inverse property. Okay, if A belongs to G, okay, if A belongs to G, now minus A belongs to G, then if we do A star sum is equal to A star something is equal to 1, that means E, okay, identity elements is equal to empty star A. So this is what identity element when we do a operation with star to something, which is that minus A, which is that minus A, okay. So then you will get, this is called as a inverse property, okay. So inverse property, if any group satisfies these four closure, associative, identity, inverse. Along with this, if it is satisfies commutative property, that is nothing but if A comma B belongs to G, then commutative property is A star B is equal to B star A. If any group satisfies this property, then it is called as abelian group. Abelian group. So group, what is group? If any G satisfies closure, associative, identity, inverse, then it is called as a group. If any group satisfies along with these four and commutative property, then it is called as a abelian group. This is very important 12 marks question. Okay, we have an example integers. If we apply, you will get the answer. So this is what is the abelian group and what is the group definition. Okay, thank you.